So it looks like there is a huge discount on the Motorola Edge 2022. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, as you guys can see, xdadevelopers.com actually just produced this article yesterday, and if you guys do want to read this article, I will leave a link in the description down below. But it says the Motorola Edge 2022 is now available at Amazon and Best Buy for $499.99. The Motorola Edge 2022 was first announced about a month ago, and it might not be the best Android smartphone on the market, but it still has things about it that could make it a worthwhile purchase. At the top of the month, the phone was exclusively available through US wireless carrier T-Mobile. Now the unlocked variant has been made available through retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and even Motorola's own website. Perhaps the big head turner for the Motorola Edge is its large 6.6-inch OLED display that has a 144 Hz refresh rate and support for HDR10+. It is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1050 processor and packs 8GB of RAM. Now I don't have any experience with the MediaTek 1050. I think the only processor that I've used from MediaTek within this year is the MediaTek Dimensity 700. So this would be an interesting device to actually show you guys on the channel and test out that processor with gaming and other stuff like that. So if you guys want me to review this phone, let me know in the comment section down below. It also has dual speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support. As far as its internal storage is concerned, the phone has 256GB of onboard storage, but does not offer room for expansion via micro SD cards, so no expansion of storage right there. While it might not sound like a lot, 256GB of internal storage should be enough for the average user, and I definitely agree because I've even gone through 100 GB on my S22 Ultra, and that's 512. It says the Motorola Edge has a triple camera array that is spearheaded by the phone's 50 megapixel primary camera. There's also a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. For those who like to shoot selfies, the phone has an impressive 32 megapixel front facing camera. The handset should provide all day battery life thanks to its large 5000 mAh battery. It offers 30-watt turbo power charging through USB-C and also supports wireless charging up to 15 watts. In case of an emergency, the Edge will be available to wirelessly charge other devices at 5 watts. The in-display fingerprint reader with Motorola's ThinkShield should provide enough security to keep people feeling comfortable. It says the unlocked variant of the Motorola Edge 2022 is now available for purchase from Amazon, Best Buy, and Motorola's own website. Priced at $499.99, Motorola states that this price is a limited time promotion, with the regular price being $599.99. If you're looking to find it on contract, you can head to T-Mobile's website. So that's pretty good. $499.99. We get a $100 discount on this. Is this enough for you to pick up this device? The only reason why I wouldn't pick this up and have this as my main phone would be because the reason for getting a Motorola phone, at least in my opinion, would be that it is a stock Android or near stock Android device, and that it's going to have things like the Moto Actions and stuff like that. But the Google Pixel 6a is at a cheaper price, so if I had to choose, I would go with the Pixel 6a, to be quite honest. So this phone still doesn't really make too much sense, and they do say that this is a limited time offer or whatever, but this is going to go on sale again in December, and then it's going to lower and lower every month after that. So I don't know what Motorola is saying about this. I think they're capping about this. I think that this device is going to go down in price every other month, and they're going to keep bringing up more promotions on this. Motorola is kind of like LG in that respect. They do have somewhat of a cult following, but I think it's more for their budget devices. I don't think their more premium devices are as sought after. So let me know in the comment section down below if this is a deal that you guys are going to take action on. If you guys want me to review this again, let me know. I may love it. I may end up loving it. So let me know if you guys want me to check it out. But I'm hoping you guys did enjoy this video, hoping that you did get some valuable information. Again, this has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.